about Iranian Kurds having, weapons, and that is the example that shows to the reader, or to the audience, that if we do not solve this problem, we're going to have Israel and Americans have use Kurds against us, and that is a threat. That is the crux of this transaction. And what do Kurds get in return? I don't think they get very little. I think what happened in Syria, is I think being overstated as capitulations. We can talk about that if you want, but I mean, this is directed. I think Bahceli is just trying to sell the whole process to Erdogan and his base.